Hey everyone, this is a compass control module demonstration of the TOA Electronics Lenubio soundbar, also known as the AM CF1. The main audio control features speaker mute, speaker gain, microphone mute, and a preset recall. Let's turn on preset 2 and say yes, and you can see that the preset will be loaded shortly. Moving forward, we have the advanced beam steering controls. When notifications are turned on, the exact position of the microphone will be displayed. You can see that the microphone is picking up my voice and displaying the X and Y coordinates in inches. This may be switched over to centimeters if specified. The beam steering position may also be fixed by switching over to manual mode and setting the angle and distance accordingly. Hitting set will configure the speaker to manual mode at an angle of 64 degrees, a distance of 168 centimeters, and the X and Y position is now 151 by 73 centimeters. Lastly, we have the settings page. Bluetooth may be turned on and off here, and also the unit's power can be turned off when the day is over. This is the TOA Electronics Lenubio soundbar module made easy for compass control.